They/them pronouns are hard to start but easy to master. You actually probably use them without even realizing. For example, imagine someone knocks at your door. You might say, "Someone's at the door," and in response, "What do they want?" Here the parent has addressed the person at the door with they. Of course, we have no knowledge of the person's gender, and therefore have no reason to attach a more boxed pronoun such as he or she to them. Now, to get more comfortable with using they/them pronouns, become more aware of when you use pronouns day to day. A lot of the time, people make assumptions based on certain physical looks, gestures, and mannerisms to calculate their own preconceived idea of someone's gender. Wouldn't it be easier just to use they/them until you have the chance to personally ask what pronouns they use? This avoids accidentally calling, for example, a person she, when in actuality he prefers he/him. Oftentimes, I'll introduce myself by saying my pronouns. This encourages the other to do the same. They/them pronouns can be used outside of people as well. Whoa, look at that dog! I think they're a bulldog mix. Lastly, know that some people don't mind using more than one set of pronouns. In those instances, it's most common for you just to use them interchangeably. But in the end, remember that it's okay to mess up. We've all been there. Just move on from it and try again next time.